Hi everyone, good morning. During lockdown time, don't be lazy, don't excuse your body and do workouts and be fit and be safe in the home. I have 15 days challenge here. Now in the during lockdown time, anybody can do this in the home. It's a very easy and all the exercises are basics. You can do this in the home and I have 15 days challenge here. Let's do that. Thank you. Steps. First step is warm up, second step is warm down, third step is workout. In between the warm down and warm up, in between we are going to do workouts daily 15 days, 15 types of workout I am going to teach you. We will do that one. Today and tomorrow classes only warm up and warm down. Let's start warm up. Warm up first on the spot high knee 30 counts, and in between the set we have to do 3 sets. In between the sets 30 seconds rest, and in between the workout 1 to 3 minutes rest. First 30 count on the spot high knees, second sit-ups 20, and third one is jump and jacks 30. In between the workouts 3 minutes rest, in between the sets 30 seconds rest, and in the during 3 minutes rest you can drink water. Better you drink lemon water. Okay, let's start high knees. First of all, stance very important here. Parallel stance should be there. Your stance according to your shoulder level it should be, and close your fingers and raise your hand up to your 90-degree angle. Now stand on your toe and 30 counts high knees. Here you have to raise up to your waist level. Raise your leg up to your waist level and swing your hands properly. 30 counts high knees. After that 20 counts sit-ups. And during sit-ups don't bend your upper body forward. Keep your body straight and your hands should be close to your body. And do it as far as possible slowly and feel that workout. Okay, stands first. 1, 2, 'Don't bend your upper body like this. Don't do this. Just go down and your hand should close to your body. Slowly go down and come up. These are different types of sit-ups: full sit-ups, half sit-ups, or full squat, half squat, quarter squat. But in the during workout time, I will teach different types of sit-ups. Now this is full sit-ups. Basic this one, learn first. Next, we are going to do jump and jacks. It is very easy to do this, and it's a full body workout. You can easily do this. Stand according to your shoulder level. Hand should be on your shoulder level. Up. Raise the hands up to your head level. Hands down again. And split your both the legs. Jump and jacks. First, what you have to do: high knees, 30 counts, 30 seconds rest, and one set over. Next, after 30 seconds, one more time high knees, again 30 seconds rest. After that, again 30 counts high knees. After that, 1 to 3 minutes rest. During rest time, you can do walk, and then you can drink water. Better you drink lemon water. And after the 3 sets, go for next workout, sit-ups. After 3 sets workout, next you go for jump and jacks, 3 sets. Like this is warming up exercise. Daily have to do this. And after that, basic general exercises have to do before workout, warming up and general exercises. And end of the workout, warm down you have to do. That one we're going to do. See in the next video. Today, general exercises. First, bend and relax. When you're coming up, take a breathe in. Going down, breathe out. And just control your breath. That's all. And like this, 10 to 15 times you have to do. Okay. Next, for neck rotation, front up. But chin you should touch your collarbone. Up and down. Next, single arm rotation. Touch your shoulder to your heel and just do rotation. And backward also. And again on the hand, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Full rotation you have to do, proper rotation. And both arm rotation forward, 10 repetitions, 10 to 15, and you go for next. Backward. Next, hand swing sidewards. Just stretch your hands as much as possible. Don't keep your hands down, keep your hands up, shoulder level, and stretch your hands. And swing upward. You have to stretch your hands back and just pull your leg, hands back. All the workouts are whatever you're going to do with the rhythm. Okay? Shoulder rotation, forward, backward, and diagonal. Next, front rotation, front up, back off, and lateral bending your right side and left side. Don't bend your body forward or backward, stand straight, just go sideways. Try to touch your toe, push your body towards your left and right hand side. And next, bend forward, don't bend your knees, try to touch the ground. Left, center, right. Again, right, center, left. And cross leg, bending. Same thing, left, center, right, center, left. Afterwards, change your leg. Same thing, left, center, right, center, left. Now, lunge your leg lunges. Your leg width should be a 1 to 1.5 meter distance. And first you hold your toe and try to look forward. Okay, this is comfortable for me. Okay, next you're going to do alternative toe touch. Every time you should touch your toe and try to look up. And next 3-point touch, first point, second point, third point. First point, touch your both the toe, and second point, try to touch your both elbow to the ground and arch back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, leg lunges your right hand side and left hand side. Don't bend your upper body, keep your body straight, and just do it like this. Next, jumping workouts. Just skip jump on your toes and leg kick sideways. Just kick your leg. It should be a rhythmic. And forward kick, back kick. Again jump, single leg hiding, close, open. Change your leg. inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside. Keep on jump. Cross leg jump. Leg split. Jump high maximum. And again bend and relax. And stand rotation. Reverse. Up and down. In and out. Next leg. Another leg. Full rotation. Reverse. Up and down. In and out. These are the basic warm-up after the general exercises. After that you go for workout, and after the workout you should do stretching every day like this. 3 steps, 3W we have to follow: warm up, workout and warm down. Today we did warm up. This warm up every day I have to going to do. Okay, next 15 days plan I have, I'll give you that one. I hope all of you going to do this. Thank you.